London, all right.
Did they manage to move it away, the containers? So
They
they
got the car out.
They got the car out.
That's why they taking out body.
Oh, there's the jaws of
It's your container.
Sorry?
It's your container. I mean, it's your truck.
How many?
I mean, it's your truck.
Not my truck. No, I'm just taking it. No, my car's there being getting
Service.
a new starter motor.
Oh.
No?
I just know. You work with me.
Are you freelance or?
No, full time. Over the show.
Are you the guys that take those?
We used to. I would just take
Yeah, originally they were
they put the